So originally it started off as just like friends on YouTube that had smaller channels than me.
From YouTube
like
without
them
showing
off.
your face.
YouTube automation. So if you are into side hustles, you've probably seen those videos online popping like mushrooms after the rain. Are you wondering if they work or not? I do, so let's try it out. I will try to break this thing down. Let's try to open up a new channel dedicated to creating the AI content. Let's hop onto the computer and let's see what we can do just by running the YouTube automation channel. Here we are currently on my computer, and the first thing we're going to do is to go to the Safari, of course, any browser. And now let's go to the ChatGPT. Let's try it out. And what I'm trying to do right now is to open up a channel dedicated to AI content, which will make the videos about religion, the history, different tribes. So yes, we are going to look for this kind of the content. Let's use ChatGPT to generate the script for the video. Let's go with write the script for my next video about Vikings. So now, as you can see, it gives you the title, the introduction, and the whole script basically. So that's useful. Just like this, it took really fast, a couple of seconds basically. What we are trying to do now is to just take this whole thing, whole text. Let's go and put this thing to the notes. And let's get rid of the titles and the introduction, names and everything. And just like this, we do have our text prepared. Now let's copy all of this again and let's put this thing to the software called Descript. You have the link down in the description. I highly recommend you guys checking this thing out. Let's run this Descript program and let's title this thing for our title, and let's put our script into it. So just like this, you've got the whole script in here we're going to use for our video. Now all we gotta do is to just choose our speakers. You have to click on the speaker button in here. As you can see, you have the bunch of different voices to choose from. I'm going for the Eton voice. Let's go for the Eton Formal 1 voice. And now, as you can see, the software converts this whole script into the audio. Okay, great. We have the whole script converted into the audio. And now all we gotta left to do is just go to the file and export. And let's export this file. Let's save this thing to the desktop, and now the audio is just exporting. Now the only thing left to do now is to just go and edit the video. So you can either use the free software called DaVinci Resolve, which I highly recommend you guys using, or you can also go for CapCut, which is a more automated software for editing, and it's also free, so you have the link down in the description for everything there. Let's go, let's edit the whole video. Let's change this timeline to 60 frames per second and let's put the whole audio clip to the timeline.
Unveiling Viking legend.
Great. Let's also go to the clip attributes and change this thing from mono to stereo. Great. Now let's go to the pixels. We are going to use some free copyright-free videos for our video. So let's type in here Vikings, because it needs to match our content. Let's maybe use a different face. Okay folks, so it's been like 30 minutes and I just edited the video. As you can see, it looks like this. I used all the clips from the Pexels website, which provides you with the copyright-free clips for your videos. You can use them, you can monetize them, so no worries about that. And yeah, this is how it looks like.
European shores. With their iconic longships, these warriors struck fear into the hearts of coastal communities.
As you can see, it turned out pretty well. Now all we gotta do is just export this video, and then we will also put this thing to the CapCut, and then from the CapCut we will generate the captions for the video, so that the engagement rate will be a bit higher, and the video will be performing much better than it is now. So let's do it. Let's go to the render tab. As I showed you before, this is the DaVinci Resolve software. You can use this thing for free, completely for free. and you've got a lot of tutorials on YouTube how to use this software, so you shouldn't have any problems with learning how to edit in it. And yeah, it's so good. All the videos you see on this channel been edited in DaVinci Resolve, so I highly recommend you guys checking the DaVinci Resolve out. You also have the link down in the description for that. Let's save it. All the settings are good, and let's render it. See you in a second. Alright people, and just like this we got our video rendered, so it's been like 1 minute and 25 seconds. Now let's go to the CapCut, and all we gotta do is just put this file, put this video, edit it into the CapCut editor so that we can actually get the captions for the video automatically rendered. So just like this, let's check this video, let's import, and let's put this thing to the timeline. And now we gotta go to the text, and here you see the option called auto captions. Let's click on this, let's click on generate, and now the magic happens. The CapCut generates the captions, so let's wait till it happens. Okay, so here they are, and now let's also get them all selected, and let's go to the basics, change the preset to this one. As you can see, they look much better right now, and always just put them with this one. Yeah, they look much better right now, and yeah, I think this is looking pretty well, to be honest with you. Okay, and just like this, let's go and let's export the video once again. Let's call it Vikings video to the desktop, of course. All the settings are the same, 1080p and high bitrate and 60 frames per second. Let's export this, and just like this it's exporting. So now let's go to the Canva, because we also need the thumbnail for our video, of course. So let's work on this right now. Let's create a thumbnail for the video, so let's upload the new file, and let's choose the file. You can choose whatever you want to. I will choose the actual photo that we used in the video, which is this one. I really like this one, so let's use this. Let's click on the use the new design, and let's put this thing to custom size. Alright, and now as you can see, this is how it looks like. Let's also put here the template for our thumbnail. Let's maybe use like this one. I like this one a lot, so let's remove this guy, and let's also change the position, layers, and here it is. Let's put it in, let's align it, and let's change the position once again. So position, layers, and put this thing to the first, so that it shows as a background. And let's call it history of Vikings, and change a little bit the position of it so it shows the X a little bit more. Yeah, in my opinion, this thumbnail looks very nice. We can share this and download this. And back to our video, it is done. So as you can see, the video got exported. We do have the subtitles and everything. Now the only thing left to do is to upload this thing to our channel, and let's hope for the best that we can get some views. Let's do it. Alright folks, and just like this I uploaded the video to YouTube, and let's take a look how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's uploaded. Sorry for my screen, but it's so dirty. I'm editing the video right now for you guys here, so you can see how it looks like on both of the displays. I also generated the description for the video. So here, as you can see, it's pretty nicely generated, obviously by AI. Our ChatGPT is doing a great job. And as for the tags, it's so simple. All you gotta do is just find a similar video to yours that is performing pretty well, and you've got to copy the link URL, and then you go to this website called Rapid Tags. Just paste this thing in, and you've got the tags. So you can copy this thing and paste this thing to the tags section. Let's upload the thumbnail and let's put this video on live. Let's see how it goes. Okay people, and just like this the video gets published. Let's take a look at it. Let's wait like 12 hours and we will check back soon. Okay people, so it's another day, another occasion to make money. It's been 14 hours since we published the video, and let's take a look at the analytics. Let's take a look how it performs in the last 14 hours. Last 14 hours the video got us like only 6 views, so not a lot of views, but I think it's normal as for the new videos because they don't get a lot of attention on the new channels. What I do like is the impression click-through rate, which is at 30% almost, so that's really nice, really high. And yeah, the thumbnail definitely makes the difference here. So always remember to have a great thumbnail for your video because it improves it a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The name of the channel, I highly recommend you guys checking up soon for the video. Maybe it will go viral, maybe it won't, we will see. But YouTube automation is definitely a great option of monetizing your channel and getting the passive income in the long term, of course. We can't really verdict this thing based on only 14 hours of video being live. So here's the name once again. Check back in like a week or a month and see if this video gets a lot of views. I'll be posting more videos like this on this channel soon, so maybe I will get this channel automated. And yeah, thanks a lot and see you in next video. Bye.